How to hide Instagram chats without deleting messages. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. Open your Instagram application. Then go to your profile on your bottom right. For you to be able to delete chats without messages, for you to be able to hide Instagram chats without deleting messages, you have to have a professional account. If you don't have a professional account, I will show you how to create them. Tap on this three bar icon on your top right. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way below, and under For Professionals, you will see Account Type and Tools. Tap that. Now here tap on Switch to Professional Account. Tap on Continue and follow the process. Now refresh your page. Go to your home screen, then go to your chat box. Then you will see three sections here. One is primary, one is general, and one is requests. If you want to hide any chats, long tap that. Then you will see Move to General option on the first menu. Tap that. And then you will no longer see that message in primary. If you want to regain that message in your primary section, all you have to do is tap on this general icon, long tap that message, and tap on Move to Primary. Go to primary again, refresh it, then you will see the same message on your primary section. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.